Hi students, today we will discuss one of the important topic, nomenclature of branched hydrocarbons and IUPAC rules, and it is the very important topic. Please watch till the end of the video. By the writing of IUPAC names or by writing of naming of organic compound, IUPAC system will be developed some rules. Now in this video we will discuss about the rules. The first rule is longest chain rule. The first rule is longest chain rule. So what is the longest chain rule? The longest continuous chain of a carbon atom is selected as the parent hydrocarbon. The longest continuation chain of carbon atom is selected as the parent hydrocarbon. The compound then named as a derivative of parent hydrocarbon. For example, here A and B both the structures are the same, but in the structure A I am giving numbering from left to right like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here if I am giving the numbering from left to right, here it will cover only 6 carbon, whereas if I am giving numbering from here onwards like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it will be cover the 7 carbon. That's why the giving the numbering from this way is the correct method. The giving the numbering from this way is the correct method. This is the longest chain rule. Okay student, next rule, lowest number rule. So what is the meaning of lowest number rule? Here the selected chain is numbered in terms of Arabic numbers, and one and two other you can give the Arabic numbers. For example, here the structure name is the butane. Why? Because in this structure there are present 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So I am giving the numbering from left to right or right to left. Why? Because here it didn't having any substitution. That's why from which direction you are giving the numbering, both are the correct. Whereas in the second time, the lowest number is assigned to the first side chain or a substituent. For example, in this time I am writing again the butane structure, but in the butane structure at one carbon they have the substitution. In that time I am trying to giving the numbering from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever I am giving numbering from left to right, in the third carbon they have the substitution, and in this time I am giving the numbering from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4. In that time the second position carbon they have the substitution. In this time you can give the prior to numbering where the substitution or side chain which is have the least number which is having the carbon, that's direction you can give the numbering. So in this way you can give the numbering. It is the correct one. If you are giving the numbering like that, it is the wrong one. And next example also same. Here the number of carbons are present in the given chain is the 4 and the structure name is the butane. But whereas in the second carbon they have the substitution. The substitution is nothing but chlorine group. So in that time also, if you are giving the numbering from left to right, like 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a wrong. Why? Because if you are giving the numbering from left to right, in the third position carbon they have the substitution. But whereas if you are giving the numbering from right to left, the second position they have the substitution. So the giving the numbering from right to left is the correct one. Okay students, and it is the second rule. Third rule. Once you can look at here, if two different alkyl groups are at the same position, from opposite ends, lowest number is given in order of their alphabets. So here we are getting doubt, and if I am giving numbering from left to right or right to left, here again the same third carbon they have the substitution, and if you are giving the numbering from right to left, in the third carbon they have the substitution. So in this time which one we are selected as a parent chain, it is the doubt. And once you can look at here, it is the methyl group, and here it is the ethyl, and here it is the methyl, and here it is the ethyl. So according to alphabets, E is the first, M is the next. That's why giving the numbering from right to left is the correct. Right to left is the correct. Okay, students. And next one, if two different substitutions are at the same position from opposite ends, the lowest number is assigned in order of their alphabets. Here also I am taking butane. In the butane, and here is the second position and the third position, they have the chlorine and the bromine. And in this time I am getting doubt from which direction we are giving the numbering. And if you are giving the numbering from left to right, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and here it is the second position chlorine. And if you are giving the numbering from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second position it is the bromine. According to alphabet, the bromine is the first and the chlorine is the second. That's why in that time we are giving numbering from right to left, and the name of the compound is 2-bromo 3-chloro-butane. Next rule is, if more than two substituents and side chains are present, the sum of their numbers should be lowest at the first preference, irrespective of their nature. And it is a very, very important point. Once again I am repeating, if more than two substituents and side chain are present at the sum of their numbers, then how can we are giving the naming? Once you can look at here, in the parent chain they are present 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. Now in the second position and the third position and second position and fourth position and fifth position, they are the substitutions. So if I am writing like that, 2, 4, 5, the total number of substituent carbon count is the 11. And if I am writing the numbering from right to left, and the second position and the third position and fifth position, they have the substitutions 2, 3, 5. So lowest value from which direction it will be getting, it is the correct one. So in that time, if I am giving the numbering from right to left, if I am giving the numbering from right to left is the correct one, and left to right is the wrong one. And next one, in this structure, there are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are present, and root word is the pent, and first carbon, second carbon, third carbon and fifth carbon, they have the substitution. And for first carbon, the chlorine is the substitution, and the second carbon, iodine is the substitution, whereas the third carbon, methyl group is the substitution, whereas the fourth carbon, bromine is the substitution. So in this time, from which direction we are giving the numbering? If I are giving the left to right, the first position they have the substitution, here also they have the first position substitution, whereas second position they didn't have the, here they have the substitution, but here they didn't have the substitution. So in that time, if I am counting from left to right, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5, the total count is the 11. And if I am counting from right to left, and first position and third position, fourth position and fifth position, so 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1, 13. So which one is the lowest value? For the giving the numbering from left to right is the correct, and the second one is the wrong. And one more example, in this structure the total number of carbons are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The root word is the dec. But whereas in the second position and seventh position and eighth position and substitutions. And in this time, from which direction we are giving the numbering, either the left to right or right to left. Once you can look at here, in the second position carbon they have the substitution, but if you are giving right to left, in the second position here they didn't have any substitution. So in this time you can give the numbering from left to right, even though you are getting the maximum number of substituted value also if you are giving the numbering from left to right. Why? Because in the second position they have the substitution, but whereas here the second position they didn't have the substitution. In that time we are giving the numbering from left to right. Okay students, another rule. Once you can look at here, and if a substituent and side chain are at the same position and lowest number is assigned to the substitutions. And once you can look at here, it is the side chain and it is a substitution. They have the order. The first one is the principal functional group, and second one priority is the substitution, third priority is the side chain. Basing on that rule, and in which direction we are giving the numbering. The root word is the 4 carbons, and in this time if you are giving the numbering from left to right is the wrong. Why? Because in the second position here they have the side chain, but if you are giving the numbering from right to left, in the second position they have the substitution. So according to IUPAC rules, the substitutions have the more priority than the side chain. So the giving the numbering from right to left is the correct one. And next rule, if more than one similar alkyl chain or a substituents are present, prefix name are suitably modified by putting di or tri. In case in the given chain they may be present alkyl groups 2 or more than 2, they are present at the carbons. In that time we are using about the word like a di and tri. For example, in this carbon, in the parent chain, there are present 4 carbons like a 1, 2, 3, 4. And second position and third position, they have the side chain or the substitutions, that is the methyl group. Here they have the substitutions. So in that time, I am using the word 2, 3, that meaning second position carbon and third position carbon. Di. So what is the di here? Methyl. And the second position and third position they have the methyl groups are there. The root word is the butane. 2, 3 dimethyl butane. One more example is, and here the root word is 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here also in the second position it is the chlorine, and third position also it is the chlorine. The naming of the compound is 2, 3 dichloro. Why? Because in the second position, whereas in the third position they are the chlorine groups. So 2, 3 dichlorobutane. So the name of the compound is the 2, 3 dichlorobutane. Next one, and this is a very important rule. And here, in case the side chain, also branches, in case it is the parent chain, in the parent chain it is the side chain, in the side chain also have the branches. In case the parent chain is also having the branches, in case the parent chain also having the branches. So in that time, how can we are giving the naming? In that time, how can we are giving the naming, or how can we are giving the numbering? In case the side chain is also branch, it is also numbered from the carbon atom attached to the main chain and represented into the brackets. For example, the parent chain is the oct. Here they are present approximately 8 carbons are present, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am giving the numbering from left to right. Why? Because in the second position they have the substitution, but whereas in here in the second position they didn't have the substitution. That's why I am giving the numbering from left to right. But here in the fifth position carbon, they have the substitution, and the substitution also they have the side chain, and side chain also they have the substitution. In that time, how can I am giving the naming? Once you can look at here, and second position they have the substitution, so that is the 2 methyl, and fifth position methyl, ethyl, methyl and ethyl, and root word is the oct, and between the carbon and carbon they are present the single bond, so that it is the N. So it is a very important one. Once you can look at here. And last one is, if more than one similar alkyl group or substituent are present in the same position. For example, in the same position of the carbon they are present 2 methyl groups. Then how can we are giving the naming? In case more than one similar alkyl group or the substituent are present in the same position, their number also repeated. For example, in the 2, 2 dimethyl butane, in the second position carbon 2 methyl groups are present. In that time 2, 2. What is the 2, 2 here? Methyl. How many methyls are there? 2 methyls. That's why I am using di. And root word is the pro. And between the carbon and carbon they are present the single bond N. 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Okay, students, thank you. Please, if you like my video, give me the like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.